Three former senior officials in the Free State Agriculture Department briefly appeared in the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court today. Peter Thabethe, Dimakatso Moorosi and Seipati Dlamini are facing charges related to over 240 million rand Vrede dairy farm project. Gupta associate and businessman and Sharma Iqhbal also appeared alongside the three. Thabethe, Moorosi and Dlamini were charged with the contravention of Public Finance Management Act, while Iqhbal is facing charges of money laundering and fraud. The National Prosecuting Authority investigating Directorate's Sindisiwe Seboka explains.
Essentially, the delay was to allow all the interested parties to actually make their way to court, as well as to decide on whether the media should be able to hear proceedings or not. It was then decided in the favor of the media because it is a matter of public interest.
And also now we understand that two of the four accused are coming back at 2 o'clock while others are supposed to be reporting on Monday. Take us through that.
So essentially today we expected that the defense would be ready for the bail hearing to bring the application, and if it's opposed, to then make their submissions. So we have made it clear to the defense that we do plan on opposing bail for some of the accused, or all of the accused rather, before court today for a number of reasons. So the two accused 1 and 2, meaning Peter Thabethe, the former head of rural development and agriculture in the Free State, as well as Iqhbal Sharma, businessman and a former DTI head honcho, then decided that they'll only return on Monday, where they'll have a formal pleading as a formal bail hearing. However, the other two will return. This is the former. One is the former chief financial officer of the Department of Agriculture, and then the other is also from the department, of the former department rather. So they are then going to reconvene at 2, where they are going to then give reasons why they should be granted bail.
And another issue that I'd love to know, you said the 5th person arrest is imminent for him or her, but are we expecting more arrests, or it's only these 5 people that we'll be seeing from now on?
So the 5th person has been notified that he needs to make his way to a police station and then essentially appear. He was out of town, we're not able to arrest him in time, but he is aware and should be able to make his way to court soon, this particular court. However, in terms of the other accused, we can confirm that a number of people, their extradition talks from the UAE as well as India. This is Gupta, his wife, and various other accused who we believe played a pivotal role in the scheme in defrauding the people of the Free State. We must also add that this particular case is in Estina, as anticipated by people. However, this is the precursor or the opening act. This is a 25 million rand, or just over 24 million rand feasibility study that was done as to whether or not the Mohuma Mobong project, which was the flagship project in the Free State, whether it would be successful. The feasibility study that was supposed to be conducted over a 6-month period. From our investigations, we saw from October 2011 till just before April 2012, significant payments were made that total 24 million for basically not a lot of work done. We also were notified through our investigation that 1.5 million was then paid or subcontracted to Deloitte to do the very same study, and then additions were done and submitted to the government. So we are saying that money was siphoned out for absolutely nothing.